Bharti Airtel reported its Q1 FY14 numbers today, and broadly the revenues were up about 3.9% on a sequential basis. Important thing to note here is that the numbers have been restated by the company for the current and the previous March quarter, primarily because of the adopting of IFRS 11, under which the JV investment was accounted earlier by the proportionate consolidation method, and which is now done by the equity method. Hence, the reported revenues are not comparable with our forecast for the quarter. In terms of breakup of the India business, wireless revenues were up about 5% on a sequential basis. This is largely driven by a solid 4% uptick in the voice RPM, as well as a modest 2% volume growth. In terms of the Africa business, US dollar revenues were down about 5% on a sequential basis, and the revenue performance does remain a drag on the overall performance. In terms of Africa, revenue per minute was down about 7.7% on a sequential basis, but the heartening thing was the quarter-on-quarter improvement in MOUs to about by about 11%. The reported PAT numbers yet again are impacted by forex loss to the tune of about 534 crores, whereas they also include about 225 crores of one-time gain. Overall, we remain positive on the stock and advise investors to hold on to it.